Unique facts about the birds of paradise. The birds of paradise, also known as cendrawasih in Indonesian, are a fascinating group of birds found in the lush rainforests of Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and surrounding islands. These birds are renowned for their striking colors, elaborate plumage, and intricate courtship displays. Here are some unique facts about these captivating creatures. 1. Vibrant plumage diversity. Birds of paradise are famous for their vibrant and diverse plumage. Each species boasts a unique set of colors and patterns that often appear iridescent, shining in various hues when exposed to light. 2. Elaborate courtship rituals. Male birds of paradise are renowned for their extraordinary courtship rituals. They perform intricate dances, puff out their feathers, and showcase their vibrant plumage in an effort to attract females. These displays are a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's creativity. 3. Disguised nests. The female birds of paradise are known for their discreet nesting habits. They often choose well-hidden locations and craft nests that blend seamlessly with their surroundings, providing protection for their eggs and chicks. 4. Range of sizes. Birds of paradise come in a variety of sizes, ranging from the small king bird of paradise to the larger and more well-known greater bird of paradise. This size diversity is reflected in their distinctive behaviors and habitats. 5. Unique feeding habits. While their stunning appearance often takes the spotlight, birds of paradise also exhibit unique feeding behaviors. They primarily feed on fruits, insects, and arthropods, using their specialized bills and beaks to extract food from various sources. 6. Cultural significance. Birds of paradise hold cultural significance for many indigenous communities in Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. They are often revered as symbols of beauty, spirituality, and cultural identity, and their feathers are used in traditional ceremonies and rituals. 7. Limited geographical range. These remarkable birds are endemic to the regions of Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and its surrounding islands. The concentrated distribution of birds of paradise adds to their allure and mystique. 8. Ongoing discovery. Despite decades of study, new discoveries about birds of paradise continue to be made. Researchers and ornithologists are still uncovering new species, behaviors, and characteristics within this remarkable bird family. In conclusion, birds of paradise are more than just visually stunning creatures. They represent nature's creativity, diversity, and the awe-inspiring beauty of the animal kingdom. Their elaborate displays and unique behaviors continue to captivate researchers, enthusiasts, and nature lovers alike, making them a symbol of the rich biodiversity found in the remote rainforests of the Asia-Pacific region.